Hi everyone, now Saturday 5 p.m. I am in Mabalakat city, in the center of Mabalakat. And Georgi now in Angeles, and he walk near Walking Street and Fields Avenue also. Most of subscribers asking about show another places in the Philippines, not only Angeles. That's why we can separate walking. I use one camera in Mabalakat, Georgi now in Angeles city. You can watch video. Thank you for watching in advance. Guys, before this building, post office, before post office and police station. Now police station in the back side of this building, and inside is cafe. And they renovate this building, but before building is not good condition before. That's why post office now changed to the building in the Mabalacat public market. I will show later. We can walk to public market. So now I will go inside and take a look cafe. If of course they allowed me, I will ask first. So this building is 1951. Really now very good. I remember before I been here to this is post office. Now they renovate and now already good style. Coffee shop. I will ask first allowed that video or not. What is this? Welcome to Mabalacat city. So you can take this one for free. I already been inside. They say it not problem to filming here. Thank you. This cafe name Silung. Cinnamon already don't have. This is cookies. We always bought in Sam. Also have coffee, different kind of coffee. Yeah, good aircon here. Very comfortable.
Mahal sa Australia, mahal.
Yes, it's same price in Sam also. Excuse me, can I ask when this is cafe is open?
Last March, sir.
Last March, only 1 year working. Only 1 year working, 1 year.
Yes, sir.
This is building, it's only cafe or second floor have some another?
It's a museum, sir.
Yes. And police station now in the back side.
It's outside, sir.
Outside. Another gate to police station. Another gate.
Oh.
Okay, thank you. How to say this is your cafe? Silung? Silung. In Tagalog is or is what? How to translate? Or it's only Filipina not translate?
Si Kapampangan.
Kapampangan language. How to Kapampangan to English? Example of that, sir, is like an umbrella. Habang other like a shield. Okay.
When it's raining.
Oh, thank you very much. Buddhist museum. I want to come back here. Nice evening, maybe so many people here. It's good. And we're going to church now. We're going to church. Really, I not expected about have museum in Mabalacat because before I don't know about museum in Mabalacat. And this is old houses, really before in not good condition. This is road going to Tarlac. Tarlac, Kapas Road. And this way going to Angeles, Balibago. So it's easy from this place to Angeles, about maybe 20 minutes ride car or use jeepney. This is Angeles Mabalacat jeepney. Yes, if you won't go to Angeles, just ride with jeepney. Okay, going to the church. Sunset right now, good. This is church. Now time 5:40. Hi. Police here. So it's safety here, guys. Safety. This is project. Excuse me, what is this?
Santa Cruz.
It's for church.
Yes.
They going to somewhere or only inside the church?
I'm sure.
You also? Around this church. Okay, thank you. Oh, speakers, so many.
Dios se pame, como me lo están en espíritu, amana yani, ibat kare espíritu bati, ibilamo de.
Guys, this way go to the Clark. And this way go to the Angeles. So it's shortcut to Clark. Good. Always traffic here. This is Mabalacat market. City public market and post office in second floor. Mabalacat post office. No, post office now closed. These stairs go to post office. If go up, I will show now where post office. You see, this is post office. Mabalacat post office now closed. I know. I just show to my subscribers. So post office from 7 to 4. Sunday not working. And Sunday, Monday, or Saturday and Sunday not working. Only from. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Another cat. So many cats here.
Hello.
This is inside, it's a market already. So hot inside.
Hello.
Hello. This is all, it's market. Already closed market. No, open, but many people already go home. For sale. Sewing machine for sale. Before we work here. Maybe not good business. Maybe.
Hey, George!
Hi. Maybe I will buy. Pina sal. Hello. I will buy. Hello. Thank you. I will want to say. Hi. Pina sal. Okay, I will wait.
Bali yung walong maluwalo. Dahil kasi
I just finished bought chicken in Nassau. It's long time because so many people inside right now. Many people and now already 6 p.m. 6:15. Hi.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. This is popular Chinese shop. They already changed name. Before 99, a different name already. But the same, it's same. I park my car in McDonald's parking. Thank you. This McDonald's, center of Mabalacat city. Always many people inside. So I already bought chicken in the south for us and we will eat in home. Shaira because tired today in work and she sleep maybe now. In evening we go into the walking street Angeles and now traffic, I don't know, I go from Mabalacat to our place. You can see traffic. So not easy now to turn. No one who not give way. Even big traffic way not won't give way. You can see no one. So where you see they don't even traffic you can see big traffic. Big traffic. No one who can give way. You can see.